Alright, hello everybody. My name's Jared Clements and I will be your spokesman for the blizzard of February 5th and February 6th, 2010. And I'm going to try and attempt to do a log of the storm. So right now it's currently 2:50 in the afternoon on February the 5th. And just to verify that that's the time, it's 2:50. And I just got home from work. Stephanie is out doing her usual thing, the gym. And the snow has just started falling within the last 20 minutes or so. So we're hoping for a huge storm. They're forecasting 20 to 30 inches of snow. And we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Here's Sadie, our dog. And Sadie, do you want to go on a walk? Do you want to go on a walk? You want to go on a walk? Oh, goodness. I think she wants to go on a walk. All right, we'll go for a walk. All right, so that's part one of the Great Blizzard of 2010.